Tie buckles. Want us to deal you in?
Give me the cow.
Cow? I don't know anything about a cow.
And what was that?
Me. I was down to one card, so I said, Muno.
This better not be a bunch of boxes.
See? Just another blanket.
Thanks for coming by.
Someone must have put a cow under our blankets. Arrest this cow.
On it.
Charlie, we've been friends and tether bros for a long time. Please don't arrest that cow.
The city is pretty strict on animal control issues, but pretty loose on doing favors for friends. I'll do whatever you want.
What is going on?
This cow and I have bonded.
What? Jaget, tell your strange friend to arrest this cow and I'll get back together with you.
Really?
No, Jaget. Don't you remember? This cow is your friend. Look into her eyes.
You're right. She is my friend.
No, look into my eyes. The eyes of your on-again, off-again girlfriend.
Your eyes are nice, too.
No, remember the connection you had with Cash in the garage? You said you wanted to drive cross-country together all the way to Hawaii.
How'd you know that?
Just guessing.
You have to choose. It's either the cow or me.